So this line here and this line here is going to be serving as my borderline. And for you to get a borderline, mine I used 1 inch, 1 inch, and do a straight line. So for your workspace, that is from here to here. For you to get your workspace, you will use the highest part of your body to get your workspace. For this basic body, the highest part of my body is 34 inches, which is my bust. So I'll divide my bust by 2 and add 2 inches, which is going to give me 19 inches. So I measure 19 inches from here to here. So since I am drafting for the front and the back, I divided the 19 inches by 2, which is giving me 9.5 for each. This is the front and this is the back. So let's draft the front pattern. So let's start with the front pattern. This here is my chest line. To get your chest line, you divide your bust by 6 and add 2.5. And this is my shoulder to nipple. My shoulder to nipple is 9.5. This is my shoulder to underbust. My shoulder to underbust is 9.5. And this is my half length, or you can call it front length, is 16 inches. So for my shoulder is 7 inches for the front. So I'll measure like this to get my 7 inches. So this is my shoulder. The standard neckline for a basic body is 3 by 3 for the front, and for the back is 3 by 1. So this is my 3 by 3. To get your front neckline, so this is the standard neckline for a basic body, 3 by 3, 3 inches, 3 inches. So to get the shoulder slope for the front pattern is 1.5, but for the back is 1 inch. This is my 1.5 shoulder slope. They connect to your neckline. So for you to get your armhole, you divide your shoulder by 2. You get the meat of the shoulder. You're getting the meat from that 1.5 and 7 as the shoulder slope, and not from here. So you get the meat of the shoulder. The meat of my shoulder is given 6.5. So 6.5 divided by 2 is given 3.25. So when you get 3.25, you call it by 0.5. And connect. So my bust measurement is 34 divided by 4 is given 8.5. So I get my 8.5. 8.5. So you're connecting your armhole to the 8.5 like this. So my waist measurement is 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7 inches. But I'm going to add 1 inch allowance for my that intake. Like 7 inches for my waist measurement plus 1 inch that intake. So it's going to be 8 inches. So we're getting 8 inches for my waist there. So I'll connect. So my bust span is 7 inches. So 7 inches divided by 2 is 3.5. So that is starting from your nipple point. That is that's my 3.5. That's from nipple point down to your waist. This is 3.5. So like I said before, my back intake is 1 inch. So I'm taking 0.5 from each side, which is making it 1 inch. So this is my 1 inch back intake. So from my nipple point, I'm coming down by 1 inch for the front. So this is my back intake. So the difference between my back length and my front. So the difference between my back length and my front length is 1 inch. So that is what I'll be using for my bust. So you can call it like that.